This is my second Corvette restoration. It's a 1984. It was in an equally bad condition. It's all brand new, like the Stingray was, with late model tires and rims. This has the stock engine and trans still. Doesn't have quite the sound. Has brand new mufflers and exhaust system. Interior is completely new. Door panels, carpet, seats, rosewood dash panel, new main instrument cluster, which works well. Brand new headliner. Carpet and everything in the back is new. Has a Kenwood stereo, 4 new speakers. The hood. You have to set you down for a minute. The hood is really heavy. They all are. This has the stock engine and trans, top 5 injection. Headlights work well. I really like the way the front opens on these Corvettes. Brand new AC 134A compressor. And brand new windshield. And there you have it. Kind of looks like a Transport.